How to change name on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you change your name on Facebook. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Facebook app with your account. After you open Facebook, you will get this kind of interface. From here, at the bottom right, tap on menu. From menu section, at the top right, tap on settings. From settings and privacy, tap on account center. From account center, tap on profiles. From here, tap on Facebook. From here, tap on name. From the section, you'll be able to change your name. Simply you'll have to just erase the previous name and you can as usual add your first name and last name here. But remember that you can only change your name for every 60 days. As usual, you'll have to just also follow the Facebook community guidelines. After you add your new name here, simply tap on review change. After you tap on that, you can simply choose your display name format. From here, you can simply choose your new name. After you choose it, tap on save change. And that's it. This is the method to change name on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.